In this video, I'm going to install this wireless charging pad in the center console of my Rivian. Now, the first gen Rivians don't have a wireless charging pad, but the second gen ones do, but I heard they're pretty poor performers, so this should be a big improvement. I like that this is an anti-skid pad. It also has 2 additional USB-C ports and a USB port. Now, this charge pad came from Hansshow. A link to the part is in the description. So let's get started on the install. I hope you like and subscribe. So let's check out what's in the box. Open this up. It's padded nicely, packaged. Here is the charging pad. You can see it's got 2 USB-Cs and a standard USB. Not sure what these buttons are for. I think it just prevents the phone from sliding forward. I'm guessing that's to change the lighting. And then you have this little pry tool, which will help you remove the old center console piece, and then this little extension piece that I assume plugs, yes, into the bottom and then into the factory harness. So let's get started on taking the old one out. You pull the 3 tabs here on the front, and then this thing easily comes out. I'm going to disconnect this wire right here. There we have that wire disconnected. Push the clips in on the back, and then the front should just go right in. And there we have it. Let's check to make sure the pad is working. Set this down. There, I heard it's starting to wirelessly charge, and it's nice because it's an anti-slip feature. You can use this little wheel icon here, and you could change the different lighting on the perimeter to match the colors on the doors. So I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.